Zoom's just released a really neat feature, but unfortunately they're giving it the same name as a feature they already have. Let me explain. There is now within your Zoom workplace a section called Hub, and this is an amazing new place for you to find easily and create content. So you can put here docs, whiteboards, Zoom clips. You can create more folders and build up a tree of folders. You can import information from docs, spreadsheets, text. You can even import Notion content. This is your own private place to keep your content. And not only physical content, but also you can access your meeting content as well. Meeting summaries, recordings. That's what this new hub is all about. Brilliant. But what it is not your hub for Zoom events. That is a completely different thing and has no connection, as I can see so far, to this new hub. The content hub in Zoom events is for Zoom events. Your workplace hub inside Workplace is for your meetings, your recordings, your docs and other associated file. Think of it as your new storage place to keep your data in Zoom. And the coolest thing about this, you didn't even need to update. If you're in the latest version of Zoom, then you didn't need an update for this one. It just rolled out across the network starting, I believe, today. So if you have the latest version of Zoom, you should notice a new icon for your hub. Enjoy.